Good morning. I am Dr. John T. Abraham from Bharata College, Thrikkakara. The topic today which I am going to discuss is word and data processing packages. Actually, what is data processing? Many people are asking about this question, but many of them are not aware about what is actually data processing. Data means the raw facts about anything. It can be figures, or it can be numbers, or it can be anything. But that data is not meaningful. It should be converted to a meaningful form. When it is converted to a meaningful form, it becomes information. Actually, that process is called data processing. That means the arrangement, organizing, or collection, or various types of activities which are combining all these types of activities. That is nothing but data processing. So what is the purpose of computer itself is data processing. We can tell like the main activity or main purpose of computer itself is data processing. That is why actually computers are using everywhere. So the various softwares are using for the data processing activities. And as we know, various purposes are for the softwares also. One of the division is word processing. We know what is word processing. So we also know what are the advantages of word processing. Previously, the people were doing all the types of activities related with the word processing manually. So in fact, we cannot tell them as word processing because actually it is a manual work. That means the preparation of documents or a preparation of some tables or some documents or letters. All these things, when it is combining together or when it is done in the computer by the use of various softwares, then it became the word processing. Actually, nowadays, various word processing softwares are also available. The famous one is, in fact, we know the MS Word or Word. Similarly, so many other softwares are also there. So first we can see how we can enter into the MS Word. In a computer, when we are switching on the computer, we may not aware about whether MS Word is available or not in our computer. We will check in the desktop or in the programs. Sometimes Word may not be there. So we will be worried. That is whether Word will be available in our system or not. So in that case, one shortcut is, what we have to do is, wherever MS Word is available in our system, easily we can find out by using the following procedure. That means, first we have to press the Windows key in the keyboard. That means the key which is in the Windows symbol will be available. So first press one finger Windows keyword and then another finger R. That means Windows and R we are pressing at the same time. Then the run command or run window will be opened. In that run window, we have to type WinWord, WinWord. Then press OK. Then when we are pressing OK, it will be directly or naturally it will be going to the WinWord or MS Word. So this is the easiest way to go to the Word software. Okay. Now we can see what are the shortcut keys available in the MS Word. So there are so many shortcut keys available. Some of the shortcut keys we will study within very, very fast. So actually, what is the purpose of shortcut key? Many activities we can do in MS Word by the combination of some activities. These activities should be done in a very fast manner. Actually, computer is having various characteristics like speed, accuracy, diligence, power of remembrance, and all those things. But these characteristics will be based on our spontaneous actions also. So we have to, if we know some shortcut keys in a MS Word, it will be easier for us to do the activities in MS Word. Some shortcut keys we will see. That is, one is Control O. So Control O means for opening an existing document. By using file open also we can open. Instead of that, Control O we can use. Another one is Control P. That means Control key and P we have to press. That means it will be for printing a Word document. Alternatively, as we know, from the file menu we can choose print and we can do the other things. Instead of that, we can use Control P. Similarly, so many other some other shortcut keys are there that we will see. That is then Control R for right alignment. That means some text will be available, some typed text will be available. The right side of the text will be in a aligned manner by pressing Control plus R. Then Control plus S for saving a document. Very easily we can press Control S, the document will be saved. Then Control U for underlining a text. Underlining a text means first we have to, please remember, first we have to select the text which we want to underline. Then only it will be underlined. That means how we can select the text from the first point of the text to the last point of the text. We can drag the cursor or the mouse pointer and we have to drag it and we will select it. After selection only we will use Control U for underlining. Then Control V for paste. Actually, this editing commands like copy, cut, copy, paste, all these things are related. That means cut paste means from after cutting it will not be available in the original place. After pasting it will be available in the new place. But copy paste means it will be available in the first place and also in the last place, in the second place. So that means Control C and Control V. Control X, Control V for cut paste, Control C and Control V for copy paste. Then Control W for closing the window. Then suppose we are doing some activities, suddenly we don't want to do that activity actually. Then we can undo the previous action. That is by pressing Control Z. Control key and Z key using for undo the action. Then similar way, that is, it is related, another one key is there, Control plus Y. That means redo an action which is previously undone. Or repeating, that means nothing but repeating an action. So repeating an action by using the Control and Y. That means the Control Z and Control Y are somewhat interrelated things. Then Control Shift C. That means the combination of Control, Shift and C. These three combinations if we are pressing, we can copy all the formats. Similarly, Control Shift D for double underline the text. Very easily, Control Shift D for double underline the text. Control Shift F for change the font. Suddenly, if you are pressing Control and Shift and F, these three combinations if you are pressing, the font, they change the font. Font can be changed. Any font, that is Cambria or Calibri or Arial or any font we can make changes. Then Control Shift K, format the letters as a small capitals, like that we can do. Then Control plus Shift plus P. Control Shift P. That means changing the font size. Very easily we can change the font size. Then Control Shift S. That means some new styles we can apply. Control Shift V. Paste the format. Like Control Shift C copy formats. Control Shift C V for pasting the format. Control Shift W for underline the words but not the spaces. Then similarly Control and the square bracket, right square bracket if we are using, increase the size of this selected text by 1 point. Similarly, left means, that means Control key plus left square bracket if you are pressing, decrease the size of the selected text by 1 point. That is, right means increasing, left means decreasing. Similar way, very useful feature or very useful shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus greater than. Commonly used, many DTP people and all, every time they are using Control Shift greater than. This is for increasing the font size. So naturally, the opposite side, that is the reverse, we can use Control Shift and less than. That means decrease the size. That means Control Shift greater than for increasing the size, and Control Shift less than sign means decreasing the size. Then another thing like Control plus 1 for single space, the line spacing, we can arrange by Control plus 1. Control plus 2, if we are pressing, naturally double spacing will come. Control plus 5 means it will not go to the 5 spaces, it will change to 1.5 spaces. Then Control plus 0 also, some people will use add or remove a one line space preceding a paragraph. That is sometimes people will use. Then Control plus page up. That means it will go to the top of the previous page. Suddenly, that is anywhere we are locating, anywhere in the document we are sitting, from that place, suddenly Control plus page up, we are going to go to the top of the previous page. Then similarly, Control plus page down for go to the top of the top of the next page. Control plus end. Control plus end key will be there available in the keyboard. So Control and end, if you are pressing, we can suddenly go to the end of that document. Suppose we are in the first page of the document, and if the pages are so many, we can go to the end of the document. Then suppose we want to select the entire text in that document. Shortcut key is Control plus A. Instead of selecting each and every line, Control plus A means selecting the whole document. Similarly, already we saw Control plus U for underlining. Similarly, Control plus B. B for bold. That means some text we want to bold in a bold size. We can select the text. Please remember, first we have to select the text. Without selecting, it will not change to bold. So first we have to select the text, then it will be changing to, then Control plus B means bold. Similarly, Control plus F for finding a phrase. That means for finding. Finding means suppose we want to find some particular text from the entire document. Then it is very easy in MS Word. It is very easy in the word processing packages. Just press Control and F. F for find. Please, we can remember F for find. That means Control and F. If we are giving one window will be, small window will come. There we can type the text what we want to search. Just type and press enter means wherever in the document it is available, that will be find out. So that means Control plus F for finding. Then Control plus E. Control plus E means centering the text. Suppose the heading of a document, we want to make it a center. Select the text, Control plus E. E for center the text. Then Control plus G for go to a specific page. That means suppose in a document 2000 pages are there. We want to go to the 158th page. 158th page we want to go. Naturally, we will think from first page to 158th, slowly we will move. No need. Just press Control and G. G for go to, something like that we can remember. So Control plus G means suddenly it will go to that, window will come. In that window, just type that 158, that the page number if you are giving. So it will be going to that 158th page. Already we had seen Control End, that means for going to the last part of the document. Similar way, Control plus Home. Home means that is going to the, usually Home means the beginning. So naturally we can think like Control plus Home means going to the beginning of the text, it will go. Then we are typing something, suddenly we want to go to the next page. Page break is needed. So Control plus enter we are pressing. Control and enter means it will be coming to the page break. Similarly, control plus delete. Delete one word to the right. Then similarly, delete one word to the left means control plus backspace. Delete and backspace. Then control plus tab, inserting a tab character. Control plus tab. Then similarly, control plus alt plus yes, if you are pressing copyright, the copyright symbol will come. Then control plus alt plus T means trademark symbol will come. And control plus alt plus I, switch in or out of the print preview will come. Like that, various other keys are also available. Then suppose a text we are selecting and it should be in a italics form. It should be in italics form. Then we will first select the text. Then we will press control plus I for italics. Suppose some text we are typing, and if the left side and right side is not in a straight way, it will not be good. So left side, left alignment can be make like control plus L for left alignment. Already we had seen control plus R for right alignment. Or both side, that means justified way it should come means we can press control plus J. That means control plus L for left, control plus R for right alignment, control plus J for just the justified way or justified text. Then control plus M for indenting a paragraph from the left, indenting a paragraph, control plus M. Then control plus N, very useful thing, control plus N. N means new. Like I told, that is home means going to the first position. N means new. So opening a new document, control plus N. So now we had seen so many shortcut keys which are available in the word processing packages. Actually, it is not a limit. So many other things are also available, and some of the shortcut keys, what I have already discussed, plus so many other shortcut keys which are in the MS Excel and all. I given already there in that my Google Classroom, that is in the Google Classroom link, and class code is given. You can see that means it is available there in that Google Classroom, various shortcut keys. So we are coming to the conclusion of this small shortcut keys introduction. So when we are coming to the conclusion, so what is actually use of studying all these things? That is, here we are seeing one question paper and also another scheme of valuation which I have prepared for the university examination, that we are seeing. That in that one, that the same question it is asked. So relevance is there for academic purpose. Then that is first. Second, we cannot tell it is second. More than second or more than the first we can tell. So that means more than academic purposes, in our day-to-day life, in our practical way of life, because nowadays everywhere we are going and we are seeing the computer and its applications in one form or another. So everywhere, that is, if we are aware about these shortcut keys, the operations we are doing in the word processing package will be easier and it will be flexible, and our naturally it will lead to the improvement of the quality of our life also. So thank you.